Hi.
My phone has been acting strange lately.
Hi. What kind of problem are you having?
The screen freezes sometimes.
And the battery drains very fast.
I see. When did this start happening?
About a week ago.
It got worse after the last update.
Good to know. Has the phone ever been dropped or exposed to water?
It fell once.
But there was no visible damage.
Okay.
Does it overheat while charging or during use?
Yes.
Especially when I use apps for a long time.
That helps. Are you using the original charger?
No. I'm using a different one.
That could be part of the issue. Have you noticed any error messages?
Sometimes the phone restarts on its own.
But no clear error message.
Understood. Is your data backed up?
Not recently. Should I back it up now?
Yes, definitely. We may need to reset the device.
How long will the repair take?
And do you have an estimate?
About 2 to 3 hours. I'll confirm the cost after a quick check.
Okay.
Please go ahead and check it.
Sure. I'll let you know once I find the exact problem.